Dear students, in previous video of class 6, we have learned number system, that is Indian system and international system, comparison between the number and how to read the number and how to write in words, and arrangement of numbers in descending and ascending order. Before starting today's topic, I would like to say, if you did subscribe it now. Red button is there, push that one and ring the bell so that you may get notification whenever new video will upload it. Now today we are going to learn successor and predecessor. I told you in last video, successor and predecessor. What is the meaning of successor and predecessor? Successor means just next value. You can say +1, a simple thing, +1. Next thing means, suppose a number is 27. So what will be the next number? Successor will be +1. 27 plus 1 is equal to 28. 28 is successor of 27. This is the meaning of successor, just next number. Sometime question ask, what is the successor of 3-digit greatest number? And what is 3-digit greatest number is? 3-digit greatest number is 9, 9 and 9. This is 3-digit greatest number. And we want to get successor of this one. Successor will be +1. So 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000. This is the successor of this. Sometime question may arise that what is the successor of 4-digit smallest number. So like this one is 4-digit smallest number. So we have 4-digit smallest number and successor. And successor 1000 plus 1 is equal to 1001. This is successor. Next is predecessor. This one. Predecessor means just opposite to the successor, previous number, or you can say -1, just previous number. -1. -1 means, like a question is 36. A number is 36. We want to find the predecessor of 36. Predecessor of 36 will be 36 minus 1 is equal to 35. 35 is the predecessor of 36. Predecessor. This is predecessor. Okay. Right. This is the meaning of successor and predecessor. Related to predecessor, sometime question asks, what is the predecessor? See, it is very important questions. What is the predecessor? Predecessor of smallest whole number. Now see, smallest whole number is 0, because whole number are 1, 2, 3, 4 and continue. So smallest one is 0, right? There is no smaller whole number than 0. It means predecessor, nothing. So there is no predecessor. So what will be the answer? Does not exist. Right? This is the successor and predecessor. Now the next thing is estimation. What is the meaning of estimation? Sometime we go to the market and we are buying some things. Like I'm just buying 5 kilogram potatoes, right? And the total cost of 5 kilogram potatoes is 72 rupees, right? 72 rupees. Now sometime what happens? What we do, if it is 72, we are saying to the shopkeeper that you take only 70 rupees. This is rounded off, round figure. We are just not giving 2 rupees. This is called round figure. Sometimes we are saying the population of India is near about 1 crore 30 lakh. Sorry, 130 crore. this is not exactly 130 crore. This may be little bit more than it and little bit less than it, but around means nearby. So estimation is nearby value of the number. Now see, there are some types how to find. So I'm just writing number 825. Let's take one example for this one. Here we have value of this number is ones, tens and hundred. This is ones. Second one is tens and third one is 100, right? 1, 10 and 100. Now we want to find the value of the same number nearest 10. Nearest 10. Now see, come to the 10. How many zeros are there? 1. How many digits are there? 2. See here. How many zeros are there? See, take that number and numbers are 2. See the second digit. After second digit, what is this? If this number is less than 5, then take this number as it is and put here 0. If this number is greater than 5, then take it, then just put plus 1 in the previous number, right? If it is 5, write as it is, just plus 1. It is 825, you may write here 831, right? 830, sorry. Just plus 1 we will take. Now see, one more example. The same example we have taken. Now nearest 100. Nearest 100 means here 2 zeros are there. So see 2 0, 8, 2, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2. See this second digit. This digit is greater than 5 or less than 5. This 2 is here less than 5. If it is less than 5, then come back to this previous one and write it as it is. This will be as it is, and here what will come? 0. Make here 0, means 825 will become 800. Suppose the number is 874. See again, nearest 100 I am asking. Nearest 100, 2 zeros are there, right? These are 2 0. So take these two number. Now see, left one number is 7. 7 is greater than 5. If it is greater than 5, then just add plus 1 in the previous one. 8 plus 1 equal 9. Take 9 and here 2 0 as it is. Here 0 आएंगे, right? This is the round figure of 874. This is the round figure of 825. Similarly, you can take next also. Similarly, you can take next also. Like I'm just taking nearest 100. Nearest 100. Nearest 100. 100 we have done, na? Nearest 1000. Nearest 1000. Suppose number is 34809. This is a number. We want to find a number nearest 1000. Nearest 1000. In 1000, how many zeros are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In these three places, 0 will come. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. 0 came. Now, after that, see here. This number is greater than 5. So, in this one, what to do? Add 1. So, 4 plus 1 equal 5. Yeah, or 34 equal 34 plus 1 equal 35. You can take here 35. This is estimation, right? Sometimes it is asked, estimate the number by rounding off both the number to the nearest thousands. Like one example I am taking, number is 825 plus 932. Okay, now nearest value. First find the nearest value of 800. Nearest 100. The question is nearest 100. Nearest 100 means 2 0. So here 2 0 will come, and this one will be, this is less than 5. So this will be as it is 800 plus here also 2 0, and this is already know this is also less than 5. So this will be as it is. Now add them. 0, 0, 8 plus 9 equal 17. This is the nearest value of these two numbers. This is nearest value. This is the way to find nearest value. Now the next topic is Roman number. Roman number, as you have learned in previous class also, the same way. There is no new thing in this one. In previous class also we have learned the Roman number, and this one also the same thing is there. So when questions will come, you may write. In Roman number, basically some numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 15, then 20, after that 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Okay, 500, up to 500 it is enough. Okay, now see 1. How to write 1? How to write 1 here? 1 means 1. Okay. 2. How to write 2? Here 2 line will come. How to write 3? 3 line will come. How to write 4? Now see in this one, we cannot write here 4 line. What to do here? We have to take 5. If we are writing left hand side, means we will subtract 1. If we are writing in right hand side, we will add 1. So here this is 4. This one will be 5. Now add 1, 6, 7, 1, 3. This is 8. Again this one 9. And what is the symbol of 10? This is the symbol of 10. So for 9, what to do? 10 minus 1. This is 9. Now 15. How to write 15? This is 10 and 5. 15. 5 plus 20. 10 and 10, 20. 30, 10, 10, 10, 30. 40. Now again 40 is less than 50, and the symbol of 50 is L. So what to do here? L minus 10. Left hand side we are writing, it means left hand side we are using. So this is L minus 10. This is 40. This is 50. Now this one is 60. L plus 10. And 70. 70 is L plus 50. 60, 70. Again 60, 70, 80. Now 90. The symbol of 100 is C. Right? If symbol of 100 is C, this one will be C minus 10. Means 100 minus 10. 200 is C and C. 300 is C, C, C. 400 again D will be the value of 500. So here what to do? Subtract C. This will be C and D. 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. This is the way to write. You have already done in previous also, so you can do. Now finally I would like to tell you values. Some number is there. One number is 2, 3, 9, 8, 7, 9, 2. This is related to this chapter, and this is the last topic of the same chapter. In this one I would like to say what is place value, what is face value, and finally how to solve face values. See, place value means just question is find place value of 8 in number. Where is 8? This is here. Place value, this is at ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Mean the place value will be 1 2 3 3 zeros will come, this will not come, this will be 8000, right? This is place value, and face value means see the face. This is place value, and the face value will be 8 only. This is place and this is face. This is the way to see place value and face value. Okay, thank you. And who did not subscribe, subscribe the same. And